Delete Instagram messages or DMs on Android in 2021. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. And it works on both Android and iOS, so don't worry about that. After that, you have to go to your chat sections and you can open any of the chats that you want to delete. So let's see, I open this chat sections, and if you want to delete this chat, you have to click on this blue button and you have to long hold this, and here you can see in the bottom there is option reply unsend more. You have to click on the unsend and you have to again click on the unsend, and this message is removed or deleted. So that's basically that how you can do this. You can do this with also with any of the messages. Let I go to this chat, and then you can click on this long hold this match chat, and then here you can see option reply unsend more. You have to click on the unsend, and it is unsend. So that's basically that how you can delete Instagram messages. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, like on this video and comment below that it works. I appreciate that. Have a good day.